Do you think all Donguri Republic stores are the same? Actually, each store carries different items. Today, I'll compare 4 locations so you can choose the best one of your trip to Japan. I'll be covering Donguri Closet in another video, but it's currently available only at the Solamachi and Ikebukuro locations. Here's my recommendation. If you love Totoro, Solamachi. If you love Howl, Ikebukuro. Short on time, Tokyo Station. Want a relaxed visit, Yokohama. The first store is Donguri Republic Tokyo Skytree Town Solamachi. From just outside the shop, you can enjoy this beautiful view of Tokyo Skytree. This store was newly renovated in July 2025. As you enter, you're welcomed by the cat bath, and deeper inside, Totoro is peacefully sleeping. Here, you can truly experience the world of my neighbor Totoro. Here are the key features of the Solamachi store. After the cat bath, the store opens into the forest-like space, with Totoro hidden throughout, making it fun to spot him. Totoro is quietly sleeping in this area, so let's take a look without waking him. And if you discover your favorite Totoro or cat bath, why not take one home and welcome it into your family? This is the Poses Collection series featuring Totoro and Mei, as well as Gigi from Kiki's delivery service. Let's take a look at the atmosphere inside the store. You can enjoy a Ghibli Museum style experience here at the Solamachi store. Let's move on to the next area. While the Totoro area feels like a forest, this space is designed as a Western style room filled with antique style furniture and fixtures. When I visited, there are many items for Kiki's delivery service. So, if you're a fan of Kiki or Gigi, you'll definitely enjoy this space as well. Few stores have this much natural light, which make it easier to imagine how the items would you look in your own rooms. One of the unique advantages of the Solamachi store. That concludes our introduction to the Solamachi store. Now, let's move on to the next location. Our second store is the Ikebukuro location. It's located on the basement level of Sunshine City Alpha, and the store itself is quite spacious. Here are the key features of the Ikebukuro store. As you enter the Ikebukuro store, you'll find the calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle. The display recreates the world of the film, and some visitors even come here just to see him. If you love Howl's Moving Castle, the Ikebukuro store is definitely worth a visit. There are Totoro and Howl Moving Castle items displayed below Calcifer, so be sure to check that area as well. Donguri Closet items and posters are also available here in Ikebukuro. There are around 50 poster designs in total, and in Tokyo area, they're only sold at Solamachi and Ikebukuro. So, if you're hoping to buy a poster, I recommend visiting one of these 2 stores. I didn't mention this at Solamachi, but let's check out the brochure section here. All 23 Studio Ghibli feature films released so far are available as purchase. If you'd like to see a sample, please ask a staff member. I also show you some of the other section of the store. When I visited, the entrance was filled with Ghibli items. Most of the products sold at Solamachi were also available here, so there didn't appear to be a big difference overall. The future display changed regularly, and that time, Castle in the Sky was being highlighted. Unlike Solamachi's drawer-style displays, this store offers pins, keyrings, playing cards, and carton, making it fun to browse and shop around. Although it's around 10-minute walk from JR Ikebukuro station, you can enjoy nearby spots like Pokemon Center and Ninja Town, making it a great stop while exploring the area. That concludes our introduction to the Ikebukuro store. Now, let's move on to the next location. Our third store is the Tokyo Station location. It's located inside Tokyo Character Street within Tokyo Station, the heart of Japan's transportation network. Here are the key features of the Tokyo Station store. The store is compact in size, and when I visited, it was decorated with a cherry blossom theme reflecting the spring season. The store carries many of the same products available at the other locations. However, since it's more compact, it can get extremely crowded, especially on weekends, holidays, weekday afternoons, and during long vacation periods. At times, entry restriction may be enforced due to high demand. For a more relaxed visit, weekday morning or just before closing tend to be less crowded. This footage was filmed on a weekday morning. I personally really like passport cases like this. Next, let's take a look at the left side of the store. The display changed depending on where you visit, and on this day, my neighbor Totoro was being featured. Boxes were available, and they can also be used as gift boxes. So, if you're interested, please ask a staff member for assistance. Finally, let's look at the central area. You'll find hoodies, clothing, handkerchief, and even pins. Even if you're short on time, the compact layout makes it easy to shop efficiently. I hope you'll find your favorite item. Finally, this is the Yokohama Landmark Plaza store. It's located inside the popular sightseeing complex among international visitors. It's about a 10-minute walk from JR Sakuragicho Station and just 5 minutes from Minatomirai Station. Now, let's take a look inside. Here are the key features of the Yokohama Landmark store. The Yokohama Landmark store has a compact layout. And from outside, you can spot Mei waiting at the Inarimai bus stop display. When you step inside the store and look up, you'll find Totoro hidden above. The store tends to get especially crowded in the afternoons of weekends and holidays. So, if you like to browse more comfortably, I recommend visiting on weekdays morning, shortly after the 11 a.m. opening until around noon. This is the poster and brochure section. Since the posters are actually displayed like this, it's easier to imagine how they would like in your own space. However, popular designs may sometimes be sold out, so please keep that in mind. As I walk through the store, I couldn't help but get excited. The Catabat sculpture is quite expensive, but it's a rare item that's hardly available anymore, and this was the last one in stock. There were also baby items available, so I would recommend this store for families with young children as well. They also carry pins, relief type pin baggage, metal brooches, handkerchief, towels, socks, and even cute backpacks. Finally, let's take a look at the area on the left as you enter the store. On this day, Spirited Away merchandise was featured, and you can enjoy shopping while appreciating the theme display. In addition, smaller items such as a playing car and carta are also available. With its calm atmosphere, it's a great place to look for your favorite character goods. If you're in Yokohama, it's definitely worth a visit. If you enjoyed this video, your likes and subscription would truly mean a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video.